Hello friends, so I'm Anil Bhagat and I'm going to deliver the unit number 5 topics. The title is Introduction to Sensors and Classification of Sensor. So what is sensor? General question. So sensor is also known as a transducer. So transducer is a electrical device or electronics device which converts a physical quantity. So the physical quantities are temperature, pressure, displacement, etc. And this physical quantity converted into the electrical signal. The signal, electrical signal such as voltage or current or maybe frequency. Sensors classification is based on the number of factor, but now so which factors are important? So that factors are of the sensor can be classified based on the quantity to be measured. That means if you measure the pressure, then sensor called the pressure sensor, then temperature sensor, then humidity sensor, and etc. Active and passive sensor, so depending upon the external power supply required or not. Analog and digital sensor, so depending upon the output of sensor whether analog or digital. Primary and secondary sensor, so let us see the simple example. So primary sense the physical quantity and produces the measurable response, maybe in a change of resistor, change of inductance, change of capacitance, and change of displacement. And this sensor, the output of sensor, which is nothing but the non-electrical quantity, and which is converted to electrical quantity by using second transducer. Best example is elevator or restaurant bridge. So one more important topic is to be difference between active and passive sensors. So active sensor, this table shows that the common difference between the active sensors and passive sensors. So first point is do not need the external power supply for its operation. Active sensor not require external power supply, battery for example. Passive sensors require the external power supply. So active sensor always known as a self-generative sensor. That means it generates the output itself. And passive sensor, the sensor are not self-generative, not generate the itself the actual output. They produces the voltage or current proportional to physical quantity to be measured. Active sensor. And passive sensors always produces the output in the form of change of resistance, change of capacitance, change of inductance proportional to the quantity we measure. Example of active sensors are thermocouple, piezoelectric sensor, photocells. Passive sensors are thermistor, LVT, and LDR. There are number of types. So next topic is motion sensor. So motion sensor, that means we measure the movement in general. The LVDT and accelerometer are the popular motion sensor used in a particular field. So what is the definition of motion sensor? So motion sensor is a device that detects the moving object. That means very important is to be how to measure the RPM of motor. So here we will set up that setup, measure the actual movement in terms of RPM. So applications of this motion sensor are used to detect movement of people for security purpose. Motion sensors are also used for activating automatic door openers in malls, business and public buildings. Motion sensors are also used on occupancy sensor, that means to activate street light or indoor lights in lobbies and staircase. So automatically switch on and off the street lights, so always we found in a garden or found in a road. On So types of motion sensor, there are two types of motion sensor: linear variable differential transformer, LVDT, and accelerometer. So first type is the figure 1 shows that the construction of LVDT. So now the construction shows that the actual input is external displacement. So displacement sensed by the LVDT. So primary winding and there are two secondary winding. So construction show that the actual diagram, AC input applied to the primary winding and the output is collecting from the two secondary winding, so the winding connected in a cross coupled. So here the core is always moving in okay inside the actual area. So here the two secondary winding are connected in series opposition. So now then the voltage available across the secondary is nothing but the E01 minus E02. So E01 is a voltage across first part and E02 is a voltage across the second part. So working of LVT, so characteristics show that, so there are two axis. X axis shows the core position and y axis shows the output voltage. Suppose core the first position of core is at right position, right? That means E01 is greater than of E02. The second graph shows that the actual waveform. The second core is at the middle position, that means there is no any voltage. E01 is equal to E02, so difference is equal to 0. So core is at left position, then E01 is greater than of E02. This is simple working principle of LVT and this diagram is required for that purpose. So second type of motion sensor is piezoelectrical accelerometer. An accelerometer is used to measure the acceleration of object. So accelerometer is used to measure of acceleration of an object. Let take a simple example: the construction and working of piezoelectrical accelerometer. So piezoelectrical element, that means the rate of change of velocity, but in case of static acceleration, is to find the degree at which the object to tilt with respect to the ground. So piezoelectrical material is always acts than a quartz crystal because of stability is very higher than the remaining. That means crystalline material is always useful for that. The self-generating property, crystal produces the voltage proportional to the acceleration force. That means you apply the force on the top and then the material property will be changed and directly produces the voltage, and voltage collected by the amplifier. So VO amplify the signal. Processor itself have the analog to digital converter and the converting this digital data processing by the processor and displays on the display. Applications of the accelerometer is in industry for monitoring machines, then used to measure the earthquake activity, used in internal navigation for measuring the position or the velocity of object in motion, used in the video games PlayStation 3, so as to make the steering more control nature and real. So here the very important the topics once again I conclude this topic is, so I have covered the sensor, then difference between the sensor, active sensor and passive sensor, and then I have covered the motion sensor as a LVT and accelerometer. LVT used to measure the displacement and accelerometer measure the moving of the object. Thank you very much.